find something that doesn't feel like a camper at all, but like a moving luxury residence. Today, we're diving deep into the 2027 Mercedes Luxury Camper RV, a vehicle designed to completely redefine freedom, comfort, and premium travel. The moment you see this camper, it makes a strong statement. This is not a typical RV built only for utility. Its size, stance, and design instantly communicate confidence and exclusivity. The pearl white satin finish flows smoothly across the body, reflecting light like a high-end concept car. Every line is clean, aerodynamic, and carefully sculpted, giving it a futuristic yet elegant presence. From the front, the Mercedes identity is unmistakable. The illuminated grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and the iconic three-pointed star create a commanding look. The wide, muscular bonnet adds to the power and prestige, and the vehicle name subtly placed on it reinforces that this is a flagship-level machine, not just a camper. Moving along the side, the scale of the RV becomes even more impressive. Long panoramic tinted windows stretch across the body, flooding the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy. The triple-axle 6x6 configuration not only adds serious road presence but also ensures stability and confidence, even at higher speeds. Large luxury alloy wheels and advanced air suspension make this massive vehicle glide smoothly, almost effortlessly. Step inside and the experience changes completely. The interior feels more like a private jet lounge than a camper. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, creating a calm, modern atmosphere. Premium leather, brushed aluminum, and real wood finishes combine to deliver a warm yet ultra-luxurious feel. The cabin is quiet, refined, and designed to make long journeys relaxing. The driver's cockpit is pure Mercedes innovation. A wide, curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. Navigation, driving data, suspension settings, and camper controls are all beautifully integrated and easy to access. The leather-wrapped steering wheel with touch controls adds to the futuristic driving experience. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens into a spacious and inviting lounge. Plush seating is designed for comfort, whether you're relaxing, dining, or enjoying the view outside. Large windows surround the space, making it feel open and connected to the environment while still offering complete privacy and insulation from noise. The kitchen area is compact yet extremely refined. Matte finish cabinets hide smart storage solutions, while features like an induction cooktop, built-in coffee machine, and premium refrigerator make everyday living effortless. Everything is designed to feel solid, intuitive, and luxurious. As you move toward the rear, the bedroom reveals itself as a true private retreat. The bed is wide, soft, and perfectly positioned under a skylight, allowing natural light during the day and a view of the stars at night. Ambient lighting creates a calm, hotel-like mood, making this space ideal for rest and relaxation. Storage is intelligently hidden to keep the room clean and uncluttered. The washroom continues the theme of quiet luxury. A frameless glass shower, marble-textured surfaces, and warm ambient lighting give it a spa-like atmosphere. Despite being inside a mobile vehicle, nothing feels cramped. Every detail is designed to feel premium and functional. From the rear, the full-width LED taillights and clean, modern design leave a lasting impression. Even while parked, this camper looks like it belongs in a luxury showroom. What truly sets the 2027 Mercedes Luxury Camper RV apart is how everything works together.